So we are at our second ARC meet. Got the whole crew with us, waiting for the gate combination to get into the meet. We're actually early for once. That never fucking happens. And John, say hi, John.
Hi.
John is one of the organizers of the meet.
Well, ARC Movements are a non-profit organization where we host charity events for organizations like, well, we're working with Orangewood Foundation today, where they work with homeless teens, families, and send them to school and give them food and shelter.
Nice, awesome.
So that's what we do.
We'll plug their link in the description and in the video, and you should go check them out because it's for a good cause. So Chris is back here today again, and today he's helping us out with the IS250. Big day, cutting up these fenders. It's not fiberglass, it's ABS plastic. And the kit's made by a company called Clinched Overfenders, or Clinch Flares. And they have an office here in Glendale, but their company's based out of, or their manufacturing is based out of the Russian Federation. Well, we test fitted the kit and it fits really awesome, and they gave us basically a partial sponsorship discount. So we'll put their website in the description. You guys can go check them out. But we're really excited to see how it fits. We got part of the rear overs on. And we are all done. It looks kind of wonky without the wheels to fill the gap, but it's gonna look pretty sick once it's all put together. Our DND seats going into the IS250. Dane has removed the stock seats, and he's robbing the seatbelt buckle off of the stock seat to put on the DND Nikos reclinable seat that we're putting in. And also, Hugo, today, we're putting in a LSD for the IS250. And a fun fact about these cars are the LSD is interchangeable with an FRS BRZ differential, which is good for us because that's pretty plentiful and those are easy to find. So we already bought a FRS diff and we're about to throw it in. And then for the Cressy, it's a mess. We were trying to tuck some wiring and we were cutting some wires to reroute it around the back so it was a little neater. And for some reason the car won't start, and we're in the middle of diagnosing it, but wiring is always a headache, trying to get it to work.
All right, so once all four are snugged pretty good by hand, go ahead and search whatever the proper torque spec is for your vehicle's manufacturer, and you should be good to go.
All right, cool.
Sounds good.